So here's one gadget that can help you clean your car and your home in a super quick and a super efficient manner. I'm talking about the TUSA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. So this gets a 6000 mAh battery inside, which means you can use it in a cordless way, and of course also gets a AC and a DC port. So you can easily plug in the DC 12 volt charger within the 12 volt socket of your car and clean up your car as much as you want. You also get an AC charger which you can just plug in your home and charge the vacuum cleaner. So for a charging time of about 2 to 3 hours, you get close to 30 minutes worth of vacuum time. This vacuum cleaner also includes a crevice nozzle, a brush tool and an extension hose for various cleaning tasks. This product comes with a 6-month standard warranty, and for an additional 6 months you can register the product on the TUSA website. This gets 12,000 PA of suction power and gets a dust cap storage capacity of 400 ml. I've been personally using this gadget for about a week now, and the cleaning has been really effortless. This has got sufficient suction power to take out all the dust, and as you're seeing right now, my windows were like completely full of dust, and this vacuum cleaner really helped me clean it out. Especially talking about the crevice nozzle and the brush nozzle, these are very helpful in terms of cleaning out the seats of the car, which tend to have a lot of food debris or other dust accumulated on it. So all in all, this vacuum cleaner coming in at a price of about 3,200 rupees should be a worthy and a long-term investment in terms of keeping your car and your home really clean. And if you want to know a bit more about this gadget before you actually decide on purchasing it, well, in this video I'm going to cover the unboxing. I'll show you all the accessories which you get with it, and how you can keep the dust cap clean, and how you can clean out the HEPA filter and put it back again and start using this vacuum cleaner. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get started. So here's an amazing gadget for your car, for your home and for your office. So this is the most efficient cleaner for your car, as it says on the box, and can be used to clean your car, your upholstery, your pet hair and even reduce allergens. So this is the TUSA vacuum cleaner for both wet and dry conditions, and can be run on DC 12 volt power as well. It says it gets 1 year of extended warranty. So straight up in the box you've got this QR code which you can scan to get extra 6 months of warranty. Then you have this extension pipe so that you can clean hard to reach areas. You have this 12 volt car charger which can be plugged in into the vacuum cleaner to clean your car very easily. You also get this small brush to maybe clean out the AC vents or smaller areas. So here's a precision cleaner module which can be used to clean very tight spots. You also have this mini brush which can be used to clean out your car seats. And here's a regular power cable which can be plugged in into any 2-pin ports at your home or your office, which enables the vacuum cleaner to work inside your home. And finally, here's what we have been waiting for. So this is the TUSA vacuum cleaner. Feels very sturdy, feels very good to hold in the hand. You've got this nice handle grip right here which gets curvature to adapt to your fingers. You get the on and off button right here on top, and at the front you get this suction module, and here at the back you get the AC power port and the DC power port. So the detaching mechanism is quite good. All you need to do is just press the button right here, and here you have the on and off switch, and as soon as you press the on button the vacuum cleaner is gonna start up, since this gets an inbuilt battery. Let's just check out the sound. So as you just saw, the vacuum cleaner started out. All it needs is a press of the button right here. Further down into the box you also get the user manual, which is very important because first time users may not understand the working of the vacuum cleaner. So you can go through this user manual and understand all the aspects regarding this vacuum cleaner. Finally, you also get a cover for the vacuum cleaner with orange beading line at borders, which gives it a proper professional look. And this is kind of a very good design, very neatly designed bag with TUSA branding right at front. So it's a good thing that TUSA has provided a carry bag for this, because obviously after using this vacuum cleaner it will be kind of difficult to find a place to keep this without dust. So it's a good thing that TUSA has provided a vacuum cleaner bag as well. So to clean out the filter, all you need to do is just press the button first so that this module separates out. Then you need to pull out the filter from this front module, and as you can see the filter just came out. Then you can just rotate this filter cap right here so that it exposes the HEPA filter which is inside it. Then you can use the cleaning brush to clean off the HEPA filter, and you can even use water on this and place this filter in direct sunlight for drying. So once the filter gets cleaned out, gets dried, put the filter cap back on top of it again, put the filter back into the dust cup. Once placed inside, just plug it in and you're good to go. So you can use the crevice nozzle directly inside right here. As you can see right now, you can just insert it here. So this will be helpful in cleaning out hard to reach areas, just like that. The brush too goes in the same way. All you need to do is just push it inside and it's good to go, and that's done. You can clean off any areas which you need brushing, and you can remove the brush back out of its place. The extension tube also works the same way. It just plugs in into the unit and you will have extended suction from this area, so you can use this extension pipe to clean off areas which are far from your reach. So the AC power adapter has a LED indicator which after charging will turn green. So as soon as it turns green, you can be assured that the vacuum cleaner is completely charged and you can disconnect the AC charger. The DC 12-volt charger also gets a LED indicator right behind it. So I really think that the TUSA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have gadget for your car and a must-have appliance for your home or for your office. So if you are interested in purchasing this gadget for your home or for your office or for your car, go ahead. The purchase link is given right down below in the description. Grab it before somebody else does. And if you do have any doubts or queries regarding this, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So I hope this video has helped you out in one or the other way, and in case if it did, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who want some portable vacuum cleaners under the 3000 price segment. See you in the next one.